Previously, we talked about how if you begin drawing on the surface, you'll begin orienting to that surface. But if you begin drawing off of the surface, you'll basically orient yourself to view. So that's something important to keep in mind whenever it comes to using Boxcutter, in addition to actually selecting the mesh that you want to draw on, or else you're going to make a make box. But in the event that you want to draw over the surface but orient yourself to view, there's a toggle in the top bar where you can toggle yourself to draw oriented to view. And now every shape that's being drawn is actually being oriented to the view that I'm currently looking at the shape from. Pressing Shift V, we can also see that inside of the mini helper for orientation, there's an option for auto ortho, where in the event that you're drawing in orthographic and you begin drawing in view, we'll orient you to orthographic to ensure that your cut goes through the way that you more than likely intended. However, by toggling this off, we can just work in perspective, and we see that our cuts drawn from view are just a little bit stranger. So definitely keep in mind that orthographic gives the most predictable results when it comes to cutting from view, but we also support drawing in perspective as well, in addition to automatically orienting the user to orthographic whenever they're drawing from view.